Once you have entered your course description, you are now able to enter your course learning outcomes and objectives into Taskstream. We'll do that by selecting the link on the left that says Course Learning Objective/Outcome and checking it out. Now we are prompted to either create a new outcome set or to select an existing set. Select an existing set would allow us to copy a set from another course, but that's not appropriate in this situation, so we will select to create new outcome set. We are going to name this outcome set Course Name Student Learning Outcome Set. We will check this box and we will select Continue. Now we see this is the student learning outcome set for this course. We will never select these orange buttons again on this page. In order to create a new student learning outcome, we will go to this button that says Create New Outcome. Now I will paste in a student learning outcome that I found from my course outline. I will continue, and I will add mapping. Mapping is the function that allows us to tie this in with the institutional student learning outcomes. When I select Add Mapping, it will ask me what type of set I want to map to. I will always select Goal Sets Distributed to My Course and select Go. And then I'm given the option of linking it to an institutional strategic planning goal or an institutional student learning outcome. Given that we are looking at student learning outcomes in our courses, I'm going to look at institutional student learning outcomes. I'll select Continue, and then it brings me to a page that shows me the 4 different student learning outcomes for this, for our institution. I will select Critical Thinking, as that is the student learning outcome that best gets at the student learning outcome from my course, and then I will continue. However, you are not restricted to just selecting one. You can select as many of these institutional student learning outcomes as are appropriate. When I click Continue, I can now see the student learning outcome and the institutional student learning outcome that it is mapped to. If I wanted to add another student learning outcome for this course, I would go up and click Create New Outcome. I would again paste that outcome from my course outline. I will add mapping. I will go to the Goal Set Distributed to My Course and select Go. I'm going to look at institutional student learning outcomes because, again, these are all student learning outcome based. I will select Continue, and then I will choose the ones that this gets at. Once I have made my selections, I will click Continue, and now I can see my second student learning outcome for this course being mapped to this institutional student learning outcome. Once I have finished adding all of the learning outcomes for my course, I will go back up to check in at the top right. I can add a comment to the revision log. I will check Submit Comment, and now I can see the student learning outcomes that I have added in this session.